In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to make GIF file in Photoshop. Go to the file and choose Open and choose your all image. Move layer all image. I am going to rename layer color on, color 2, color 3 and color 4. Go to the Photoshop menu bar window option and choose timeline. And choose created frame animation. And choose make frame from layer. And input all layers with timeline. We keep running time all layers at 2 seconds. Then running. We go to the file and choose export. Save the web. Thanks for watching and I will see you on the next video.